KBB.com 10 coolest new cars under $18,000. Only 49,352 kilometers. This Hyundai Veloster boasts a turbocharged gas I4 1.6 liters/97 engine powering its smooth transmission. Power door locks, cruise control, warning chimes incorporated, door ajar, driver seatbelt reminder. This Hyundai Veloster comes equipped with these options: vehicle stability management, VSM, variable intermittent 2-speed windshield wipers, unique turbo black grille, trip computer incorporated, distance to empty, average fuel consumption, average vehicle speed, elapsed time, torsion axle rear suspension incorporated, coil springs, tinted glass with windshield shade band, T125/80D16 compact spare tire, sunglass holder, roof-mounted XM antenna, remote keyless entry with alarm and panic. The votes are counted. KBB.com 5-year cost to own awards. KBB.com 10 coolest new cars under $18,000. Stop by today. You've earned this. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9 T3L3 to make this car yours today.